In this video series, we are going to know about an easy programming software to develop your programming skills as a beginner. Let's get into know about Scratch. This is the interface of Scratch 3.25 software. You can download it from Scratch official website. Choose your OS and download same as other software. Then you can work offline or else can work online in this website. Click on Create tab and get your new project. This is the interface you will get when you work online with Scratch. I have posted this link under the description. In this interface, we can identify 4 main areas. This area is called as block palette, where we can see many blocks. This area is called as sprite area because we write the code here for separate sprite. We can see sprite is acting here according to our code, so this is called stage. This is where we can see the sprite list. This area is called backdrops, and here we can see block description. Different colors have been introduced to identify different blocks. In each and every block, there are some kind of command a sprite can perform. For an example, let's go to the motion block. In that block, we have here an action of move 10 steps. If I click here, this sprite will act in this stage by moving 10 steps forward. I will change this number to 100 and then I will click on this. I hope you see that cat is moving. Likewise, in each and every block, there is kind of command to act by the sprite. We will discuss the use of these blocks later on in projects. There are 4 main tabs in this interface. First one is about language. You can change the language from this drop down. The second one is file. New means a new project. You can get a new project by click on this new. Second one, load from your computer, means you can get a saved project from your computer. Third one is to save the project to your computer. The third tab is edit mode, and fourth one is tutorials. You can self-learn by using these tutorials available in the store.